I'm Papa Hiker. Welcome to my complete guide to cooking with your Kelly kettle. Polders, dikes. We're subsea level here. There's buildings, roads, windmills, electricity poles. Yeah! And of course, meals that just require hot water and some waiting are the cornerstone of any outdoor nutrition. Wil je een beetje meer jus nog? Dan moet je jus helemaal opmaken. I am in the woods in the south of Holland, near the border with Belgium. And I've actually bought a house in this forest, which is why I haven't been around a lot lately. So, thanks for your patience. A kettle stove is a great way to purify water. But where are you going to put it? Once your kettle has boils, you need to put the hot water somewhere so that you can boil a second kettle. A platypus is perfectly suitable for piping hot water. I've never burned my fingers filling one, but do take care. You don't really buy a kettle style stove for weight consciousness. But if you have one, you may want to reduce your weight a little bit. I've removed the whistle on mine. Without the stopper, you can perfectly use the chain to pour your water from the kettle. In the wind, your kettle is always going to be burning fast. So, what do you look for when you're buying a kettle stove? What matters to me is the material of the base. You are only going to use it to cook water and you quench your fire directly after your kettle has cooked. Otherwise, make sure it is a stainless steel or a titanium base. This is an aluminum base. As you can see, I've banged it back into shape with a hammer quite a lot of times, and it gets softer every time you use it. Of course, you need to consider the volume of your kettle. There are kettles ranging from about 450 up to 1.6 liters. So if I do the math for myself, for me, one hot meal is 300 milliliters of boiling water. One hot drink is 200 milliliters of boiling water. This would make a 500 milliliter kettle a perfect size solo for me. I have had the ghillie kettle medium for years now and have used it a lot. It holds about 900 milliliters, and that's a good size for 3 people, 3 guys. Or 2 people, then you only need to boil the kettle once to get 2 hot meals and 2 drinks. I even take that kettle when we're out with a whole family of 5. This works, but I also bring the excellent hobo stove with me and a big pot. That's it. Have fun using your kettle style stove, and please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. See ya, Papa Hiker.